Welcome to 28 Spring Meadow Avenue, here in the heart of original Cornell Village. The streets here have big, beautiful trees. They're lush and charming, but inside you're going to see this house is very sleek and very sophisticated. Come on, let's go take a look. Walk into 28 Spring Meadow Avenue and be greeted by brightness. We have 10-foot ceilings on the main floor. They've been smoothed and we've got hot lights. A beautiful spacious living room area with a stunning showpiece of a marble surround fireplace. The kitchen has been opened up to the living area, so you've got a pass-through with a breakfast bar, and you've got a nice dining area, eat-in kitchen, or just a nice little coffee nook. Ample pantry cupboards, mirrored backsplash, and the latest on-trend lighting make this space super glam and where you're going to want to spend all your time. The second floor of this beautiful home offers this bonus den. It can be used as a quiet place for reading, a study space, or a home office. The second floor also features smooth ceilings throughout and a laundry room for convenience. The piece de resistance of this beautiful home is the third floor primary retreat. It's got a sitting area, a walk-in closet, and a 5-piece ensuite bathroom. Let's not forget the basement. It's finished with a climate-controlled wine cellar, worthy of the Four Seasons Hotel, a workout space or rec room, you choose. This is a perfect place for a large family. The backyard is fully fenced with a nice wood deck, and it comes with a 2-car detached garage. Cornell Village is just fun. This home is ideally located close to parks, playgrounds, and splash pads. It's got great, highly ranked public and Catholic schools within walking distance. And for convenience, we're very close to Markham-Stouffville Hospital, the Cornell Community Center, which includes a pool and library, public transit, including the newly built Cornell bus terminal, and just a short drive away, you'll find the shops and restaurants of Main Street Markham, and we're a quick drive to Highway 407.